How to solve Viber app message not sent problem. If any day you face a problem of your message being not sent in Viber, then do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, you have to tap on Viber for a while. After you tap on Viber for a while, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the I option out there. After you tap on the I option, you can see the interface of the app information. After you see the interface of the app information, you have to go to the option of notifications. You have to tap on the option of notification and then you have to enable allow notification. You also need to enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of permission. Sometimes your call logs may not be provided the permission, and that may also be the problem. So you have to allow the permission to the call logs, to the camera, to the contacts, to the location, to the microphone, to the music and audio, to the notification, and also to the phone. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of set as default. You have to tap on set as default and you need to enable open the supported links. After that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, you have to check whether there is any cache or not. If there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear down the cache. And after that, you have to go back again. After going back, you have to scroll down until you find the option of app details and store and tap on the option of app details and store. After that, your application will be opened in Google Play Store. And if there is any update application option there, you need to update your very application and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.